Hello everyone and welcome! Thanks for joining me. This is my first video of 2022. I just wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on in my life and what I have plans for my channel this year. You can see it is the middle of February. We have a little bit of snow on the ground yet. Things are frozen solid. The lawn is completely dormant. So I'll get right into it and tell you what my plans are. Be sure to hit subscribe. If you're not already a subscriber, I'd really appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up, guys. Leave a comment below if you got any questions or anything. I'll get right into it. So yeah, it's been kind of warm the last couple of days, really windy at this time of year. Ground is completely frozen, but surprisingly, there's still a little bit of green color compared to the areas that have bad grass. Yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with how it's looking. You know, it's totally dormant, so kind of sad looking and cold, but at least we have a nice, bright, sunny day to work with. So I'm taking advantage of it while I can. It's not completely freezing out here. So anyway, guys, I'm not really sure what's going to be happening in the lawn this year. You guys know I did my spring overseed. I don't see any real damage or anything like that yet, which is good. I'll show you around the corner here. Usually I have a little bit of plow damage, but we haven't gotten any heavy snows really, so it doesn't look like the plows have really dug anything up yet. But yeah, there's a little bit of frost damage around the edges and things like that, but no matter, that will recover. You can see a little bit of green there popping through yet. Yeah, other than the lawn debris, I think it's okay. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do this year. I think I'm going to be doing a soil test for sure. Be sure to check that video out. I did a soil test last year, and I have a vendor that actually sent me some soil test kits, and I'll be doing a giveaway soon. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and watch for that video coming up soon. Would you take a look at that beautiful blue sky? Incredible, isn't it? The sun is all the way down in the south there because we're so far north, but for February, I'm not complaining. It looks great. So guys, I don't know how much longer I'm actually going to be in this house for. I've been here since August 2015. There's been some changes in my life going on, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of soil test and lawn care as long as I can here. But beyond that, I might actually be starting a project lawn at a friend's house later this spring and summer. So if you want to see a new lawn potentially, there might be some new content in store for this channel. So, make sure you subscribe so you stay on top of everything that's going on with my channel and everything. Leave a comment below if you guys want any particular type of content that you want to see me do. If you want more auto detailing, more cleaning videos, more DIY stuff, fixing things, auto repairs, anything like that. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them below in the comments and I will try to respond to everything that I can. So guys, that's pretty much the only updates I've got really. Yeah, we're going to be just doing the bare essentials for the lawn. We're going to do a spring fertilization probably as soon as it's warm enough. We're going to put down a pre-emergent. No spring overseed this year. We did that last year. I think things are okay now. Everything's filled in beautifully. So as long as we don't have any surprises in the springtime, we're just going to do straight up pre-emergent. Be sure to check out my video in the description for how to calculate how much pre-emergent you need to do for the springtime. I'll be doing prodiamine just like I always do. Up here, this far north, I can do 2 split applications and that'll get me through the entire growing season. So that's my plan, pre-emergent, and feed it and mow it. That's pretty much it, guys. Nothing fancy this year, but we will have some other side projects, hopefully. So be sure to stick around. And like I said, leave me suggestions if you got anything, okay? I appreciate it, guys. Happy New Year, and best of luck to you in the lawn in 2022. Until next time, thanks for watching.